Hello everyone! Ang nakikita nyo po guys, yan po ay ang actual site ng Eston Park Subdivision. It is located in Barangay Makamot, Binangonan, Rizal. So, sa mga naghahanap dyan guys, ng house and lot in Rizal area, ito na po guys ang hinahanap nyo. Duplex 2-story type of house. Lot area is 50.85 square meters and floor area is 88.87 square meters. Guys, yan po yung actual niya guys. Oh, ang ganda. Alam ko may magtatanong, magkano ba yan? So, ang price nito guys, discounted na to, 2.8 million. Down payment is 10%. Zero interest, payable for 15 months. Ang magiging monthly niya guys is 17,000 pesos. Reservation 30,000. The 90% left pwedeng bayaran ng cash, in bank, or Pag-ibig. Sa mga interesadong mag-avail dito, contact nyo lang ako guys. My numbers on the screen. This is Beth, licensed real estate agent. Thank you guys.